Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can find people near you on Snapchat. So it's pretty easy, but before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow as well. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do this. So first thing first, go to your Snap app. Now you can do this by clicking on this button over here. Once you click on this button, it's going to take you to Snap Map. And first, enable your Snapchat's location. So click on enable location. If your location is turned off, you need to do this. Once you do that, your location should be turned on. And once your location is turned on, as you guys can see all this blue area on the map, right? If you click on any one of this blue area, it's going to show you the person over there. So if I zoom on to me and click on this blue area, it's going to show me, the Snap people of those areas. So as you guys can see, it's people of this area, and you can basically see whoever you want. You can see the name of the person at the top as well. So it's basically like this. So that's basically how you see people near this area, and all these people with the Bitmoji are my friend. So yeah, these basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe and notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. We'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.